Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a user interface using NXT-G. So this is actually a program that I used quite often when I was on an FLL team, and the reason why this program is so useful is that it allows you to spend a lot less time in base trying to choose which program to run next, and instead all you have to do is click either the touch sensor or one of the NXT buttons to move to the next program. So you get to save a lot of time using this program. Okay, so to do this program, what you're going to need is a weight block. And then you're going to have to hook this up to either the touch sensor or the NXT buttons. And I'm just going to leave it at the touch sensor for now. So put it in whatever port you need, and you're going to want to change the action to bumped rather than pressed. And the reason for this is so that if you have it as pressed, then you may still have your hand on the touch sensor when your robot begins to move, and that means that you may affect the way that your robot runs. So bumped is a little bit safer. Okay, and you're gonna want one less weight block than the amount of missions that you want to run in your user interface. So in this user interface, we're going to run 3 missions, and so we're going to use 2 weight blocks. And the reason for that is that the start of the program counts pretty much as one of the weight blocks, so that way you actually do have 3. Okay, so for the missions, we're just going to use move blocks, and each one will do a different thing. So the first one's going to turn left, the second one will turn right, and the last one will just go forward. And there is one more thing that you might want to add so that you know which mission you're running, and that's the display block. So just in case you forget which exact mission you're running next, you can just remind yourself using this block. So we'll do mission 2, and then we'll add another one that says mission 3. So mission 3. Okay, and just one final thing, when you do this in real life, you're probably going to have around 30 blocks per mission. So to make this code a little bit cleaner, you may want to replace the actual mission code with a my block. So to do that, what you do is you select the blocks that are contained in the mission, you go to edit, and then you go to make a new my block. So then you name the my block, so mission 1, and then you just click finish, and there you go, there's your my block. Okay, so that's the end of this video, and we'll now download the program and run it. Okay, so let's now try the program out. So let's start off with the left turn. Okay, there's a left turn. Now let's do the right turn. There's the right turn. And now let's do forward. And there's forward. Okay.